Today I'm going to be taking you through how to delete all of your Claude chat history. Let's get started. Bring up Claude. Sometimes your sidebar is minimized. It'll look like this. So to maximize it, give this a click. Same sort of thing with your chats. As we can see, my chats are currently minimized, so give this a click. But yeah, we can see all my chats. So if we hover over this, we got this little view all button. Give this a click. Opens up all of our chats, all of our previous chats with Claude. When I hover over one, I got this little menu button. Give this a click and I can delete this chat. Fantastic. So that's a permanent deletion and it will not be used anymore in your history on Claude. But that's going to be pretty slow, right? So the quick way is to click this select button, select all, delete. And just like that, we have deleted all of our chats in Claude. So nice and easy, but thanks for that one. What this will do is it will generate memory from chats that you've had. And now if we want to be fully private and don't want data we put in a previous chat to show up in a new one, we'll turn this off.